Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. My name is Jesus Manuel Menagarza. I'm currently getting ready to travel to Europe. I've had the opportunity to travel quite a bit in Mexico, Washington, D.C. a couple times. Definitely to the Bay Area, LA, again, Mexico, Oaxaca, Puebla, Monterrey, Puerto Vallarta. The list goes on. Distrito Federal, Coyoacan. And when I pack, I typically don't pack in a rolling suitcase or any kind of brief, luggage. I typically pack with my backpack. I have a 40-liter REI rucksack, and that works perfectly fine for me. I'm still relatively ambulatory. I'm still relatively, healthy enough to carry, 20 pounds on my back, even though it says 40 liters, it's about 20 pounds that you have on your back, typically. How I organize my backpack, I don't just throw the clothes in there and just pile them in there and call it good. I usually use what's called packing cubes. Packing cubes come in different colors and shapes. Usually they have, when you buy some packing cubes, they have the large ones, medium-sized ones, and the small ones. And you can organize your luggage in that fashion. This only has a set of zippers here. And it's very nice. I've had this for about 5 years. And they come in other colors. And this one also. And they have little areas where you can secure what's inside, little straps. Again, this is one version. Has nice little area there to grab the zippers. And this one's made by the folks at Shack, S-H-A-C-K-E. Pack, P-A-K. Some people will also use, sandwich bags, food bags to put some of their items in their backpack. You have options. I've decided in this adventure that I'm going to Europe to go for the next level of packing. Instead of just, this does not compress. You can see what's in there, and it's very nice. It's good quality, but does not compress. I'm going to the next level, and for a little over $30, I got this from the folks at Lean Travel. Again, I buy these products with my own cash. I'm not an influencer who's getting free stuff and says, hey, this is the best stuff since sliced bread. No, I don't do that. I actually bought this. It's relatively affordable for around $30, and it's from the folks at Lean Travel. And there it is. And this is how it came to me from the folks at Amazon. Of course, I'll be leaving links in the description. Of course I will. So here it is. Very stiff. Look how stiff that is. Different from this, which isn't stiff. But this should be a little bit lighter. This is going to be a little bit heavier. Okay, let me open the package up and show it to you. Let me open it up. Where's the zipper? Oh, it's up here. There it goes. Very nice. So let me show you the larger piece here. Very nice. And the differentiation between this and that is that this one has a little zipper right here. It has a little zipper. Little compression zipper. And it opens up. And there you are. And you have it a lot larger. You get this expansion area here. What do you think? And again, this is made with a more premium material, and it still does have a little mesh right here. And this is super, super highly rated and one of the most popular packing cubes products on the old Amazon. So there it is. Let me just show it to you. Let me get a little tighter shot for you folks. Let me put it with this light. There you go. And of course, I'm looking at my TV monitor on the left where I can see my ugly mug. There it is. So, again, inside this, of course, is going to be the other packing cubes. Let me open it up. Again, already I can tell this is significantly more sturdy. So what it comes with is a smaller packing cube, number one. Let me put that down here. You get two of the similar size packing cube. It's pretty much the size of my head, my little fat head. And then you get this one right here. Very nice. Definitely larger than this one. So you have options. Let me put this. Oops, sorry about that. There you go. You have options. So what do you think? Very nice. So let me see. I got one of those. You get two of those. Wow. Two of those. So you get two of each size. This is the packing cube that I opened up, and it's got two of those too. So you got this and that. Okay. So this is a rather short video. Again, it opens up a significant portion. Let me just show it to you right here. And very nice. Very nice. And the benefit is that you pack everything with it, you know, fat, big fat and thick, and then you zip it up, and then it becomes skinny. Wow. So you have more stuff in your suitcase. Of course, you're not going to pack your prom dress in this or your tux. You don't want those wrinkled, and you don't want those issues. But for your, you know, merino wool outfits that you're going to wear, that you're going to wash in the sink at the hostel or your hotel sink, you know, that's perfectly fine. You know, for your polyester underwear, stuff like that, and socks, you can pack them all in there, roll them up really nice, etc., etc., etc. So this is for people that want to save some space and put their shirts in there. So I like it. So here are the three sizes. Let me open it, show it to you again one more time. Let me get it with one hand here, and then we have the other one right here. So there we are. Three sizes. 1, 2, 3. Again, there you are. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll leave links to this absolutely fabulous product in the description in case you want to order it. Again, it's super popular. Gets excellent reviews on the old Amazon. The lean travel, you know, packing cubes. Again, leave your kind of friendly comments. What do you think of this product? What do you think about packing cubes in general? Do you just like to toss your stuff in the old backpack or your luggage or your rolling, you know, piece of luggage or the cardboard box that you're taking to the airport? You know, you just shove it all in there and don't care. Well, some of us like to be a little bit organized. And married to my wife, who has organized my life to the nth degree, I've assumed certain behaviors, and now I am a bit more organized. You know, when she met me, I was a mess, but now I'm somewhat organized. Thank you, wife. You are the best ever. So thanks for watching my video. Check out my photographic website having to do with this channel. You can see my travel photographs, a lot of Mexico photographs, you know, West Coast photographs, stuff like that. You can enjoy that. And coming very soon, some photographs from Europe. Thank you very much. And you can become a Patreon subscriber, patreon.com/JMGarza. And also you can become a member of this channel. I'll have that information way in there somewhere in the description. And of course, you can press a button down here and send me some serious cash. I'm talking to you, Jeff Bezos. I'm talking to you, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk. Even though you're losing some money right now, you can still send me $1. Why not? Thanks for watching my video. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. I plan to use this wherever I go, you know, be it San Francisco, which I'm going in a couple weeks, or LA, Washington, D.C., Mexico. I plan to use these cubes. They should be, look, they're so sturdy. Look at sturdy as compared to not so sturdy. Again, gracias. Adios. Ring the bell for future notifications. Bye-bye.